こんにちは。Welcome to FURI Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make baked broccoli with soy sauce and ginger. This dish is super simple but surprisingly addictive. It's inspired by a very popular menu item from a Japanese casual restaurant chain, but I'm giving it a vegan twist. The broccoli is seasoned with a refreshing umami-packed soy sauce infused with ginger and lemon, then topped with plant-based mayonnaise and baked. It's refreshing and full of flavor. Okay, let's get started. In a large bowl, place 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Freshly grated ginger gives the best flavor, so try to use fresh if you can. Add 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock powder, or crumble a stock cube if that's what you have. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything well and set aside. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees. Take 1 head of broccoli, about 400 grams. Cut the florets from the stalk. If any pieces are large, cut them in half. Remove the tough outer layer of the stalk. Then cut the tender inside into bite-sized pieces. Boil lightly salted water, then cook the broccoli for about 3 minutes. It should still be slightly firm. Drain well and add them to the bowl with the sauce. Gently mix to coat all the pieces evenly. Transfer the broccoli and the sauce into an oven-safe dish and squeeze plant-based mayonnaise over the top. Bake it in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes until the surface is just turning golden. To finish, sprinkle with freshly ground black pepper and Nanami chili pepper if you like. De kita! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said the broccoli is perfectly tender with a little bite, and that ginger lemon soy sauce is so refreshing. This is utterly delicious. Sheena can't stop eating it. Thank you for watching FURI Kitchen. ありがとう. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね